Hi students, in this video I am going to tell you whether you can change your fate. See, we people are believing that there is something called fate, right? So if there is something called fate, it can also be changed. I will tell you, according to me, how I see fate. Vidhi, in Tamil we will say Vidhi, how I see the fate. How can we change? Sir, nothing can be changed, sir. If you think like that, first you should change that. Okay? I will tell you what is fate. See, the present is something which is due to the past, and future is something which is due to present. First you should understand this. Today I am a chartered accountant because in past I studied, I wrote the exam, I passed. So today I am living in this position. Future, what I am doing today, it's going to decide my future. Now, if you see this in a spiritual manner, we can say the karma, what I did. Okay, in Tamil we'll say karma vinay. That means a verb. Vinay means the person does. Okay. So karma, what I did in past is the reflection. Okay. So present is reflection of the past karma, what I did. So if I want to design my future from here, if I want to design my future, I should do good activities. So my future will be clear. If I do some bad activities, so I am responsible for my future. For example, till yesterday I had very good relationship with one person. Because of one loose talk, today the relationship may get break. So I cannot say it is a fate. It is one activity which decides my future. So if had I not done that activity, so you can ask me, sir, what makes you to do that activity? That is my ignorance. Okay, I know that I should not have done. In ignorance, I did some loose talk. Because of that, that relationship may have a small crack. So you should know. You should understand what is the difference. Okay, loose talk, whether you can do, whether you can not, in what sense that other person will take, all those things. So if you want to change your fate, first make sure in presence, in today's scenario, you are not going to waste time. You are not going to do some loose talks. Okay, you are not going to think anything negatively. Always think positive, because what you want to become in the past is what you are today. For example, I wanted to become a chartered accountant. I am a chartered accountant. I want to earn lakh. Each month I should earn a lakh. I am earning a lakh. I want to earn each month 2 lakhs. I will earn 2 lakhs per month. I want to have a bike. I will have a bike. I want to have a car. I will have a car. I want to have a house. I will have a house. So what do you want to be? I want to have an academic institution. Yes. I want to create a bunch of chartered accountants. Yes. So what do you want to do? You decide. You will be like that. Okay, if you keep on thinking negative, then you will be like that only. So your thought process plus some actions is equal to the fate. If your thought process is keep on negative, your action will also replicate that. Then ultimately you will be ending in minus. Can you able to understand? So your thought process should also be positive. Your action should also work towards it. You will achieve it. Sir, I will give you some example. What gives you happiness? Please understand, what gives you happiness? What if you do, you will be happy? Keep doing that repeatedly. For example, if Dhoni thinks that he is happy only at the time of playing cricket, he repeatedly does that. Okay, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, he got a job of ticket TT, ticket checker. At the same time, that is not giving happiness for him. If he thinks that this is for earnings, see, earnings, if you think, you will never earn. If you start thinking of earnings, you will never earn. You do an activity which gives happiness and satisfaction to you, money will automatically come. For example, I am very happy when I am teaching. I am very happy when I am giving something from me to others, the knowledge sharing. Okay, anything, not only the knowledge of for CA teaching, psychological things, what I did in my life, all those things when I share, I am very happy. When I give some counseling, like personal mentorship I am doing, I am very happy in doing that, because I can able to do and I am happy in doing that. Now, even though it is not meant for the sake of earning, the earnings which I am getting from teaching is more than my practice earnings. Sometimes some months it will come. It is not intention. For example, Dhoni is not playing cricket for money. Dhoni is playing cricket for his own satisfaction. He feels happy about it. If you ask Tendulkar or Dhoni what brings you the happiness, they will say playing cricket. So, takes any person, for example, musician. Okay, the musician, when they sing, they are happy. Ask A.R. Rahman whether you are playing music for happiness or for money. If you start putting for money, then all the songs of that film will be worst. Okay, A.R. Rahman used to enjoy the music. Okay, he is creatively creating on music from the permutation and combination of ragas. Okay, he feels happy in doing that and ultimately he earns. So no one, no musician, no artist, okay, they do something for money. They do it passionately. So they changed their fate. They are doing only those things which brings happiness for them. You also start doing that. Positive thinking, okay, and action towards it will give you a beautiful future. Try it. It is very, 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 very difficult to start with. Once you start, that's all. Sky is the end. Take my example. Okay, I am a very poor guy in the past and I am upper middle class in the present, and I'll be having crores and crores of money in my future. Yes, that is for the status purpose. I'll be very down to earth. Okay, I'll be a person who's approachable with thousands of persons. Okay, see, today there are so many teachers. Okay, they think they already became God mode. Okay, people started calling them as a God, accounts God, tax God, bitter God only. Okay, I will tell you, you cannot assume that. For what purpose you came here? Okay, to help the students. But today they have become God mode. Okay, one teacher, when I started my career at the age of 22 as a teacher, they told, if you get 800 students like me, what I am doing today, can you answer each and every student? Today I am telling, I am handling approximately 2000 students. Okay, and 2 days once I used to message somewhere around 800 students. 750 students in a single day messaged me, and within 1.5 days I replied to everyone. So the thing is, you have to think that you can. What the thought process, there is nothing called no. Okay, we can. It is possible to achieve. Why not? Only thing is now you have to think. Yes, it is possible. Why can't I speak to 400 people, 500 people a day? I can speak. See, I will tell them. See, you can message me. I will reply within some time. Today it is no within fraction of a second is not possible, but within few hours I will reply. So I will tell you, it is possible. Everyone has the 24 hours. I also know, you also know. You start thinking positively, it will happen. Okay, if you think you want to earn money, you will earn money. If you think that you want to become a respectable person in a society, you can become. Okay, only thing is, you know what is right and what is wrong. Okay, don't do any wrong karma. Don't tell lies. See, small exaggeration, no issue, but lie is different. Can you able to understand? For example, if 19 students out of 25 students passed in my academy, if I say 20 out of 25, it's called exaggeration. 19 to 20, and the rounding off is not a problem. But if I say 30 students passed in my academy, that is lie. Can you able to understand? So that and all I should not do. I should not lie. Okay, small exaggeration, because no, that gives me a light satisfaction. Okay, so that is according to me not an issue. So what you should do, have some positive thoughts. Okay, keep on doing the action to achieve that positive thoughts. Do not even think anything negatively. If you think that you will fail, you will fail. Please understand. The moment you start thinking that I have to pass, the second brain will start, no, it's not possible. First to suppress that. Always think positive. Always, you can, you will, you are the achiever. Understood? This should be the mantra for you. You can change your fate. Okay, the future is just a reflection of the present. Present is just a reflection of the past. Please understand. So what you are going to decide today, that is why it's called present. Present means it's a gift. Can you able to understand? So it's a gift given today to shape your future tomorrow. Okay, all the best. Bye bye.